Welcome to my channel, Ana Lana. Today we are going to learn how to crochet eyelets or buttonholes. YouTube has me as Ana for Lana, so when you see this little cat, just click it and you will find all my videos. I am using a crochet hook of 5 mm and medium-sized yarn. And in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you the trick of how to make very narrow eyelets instead of making them like big and wide. And I have to confess that I end up making this part of the sweater twice because if you see here this picture, the eyelets were getting to be round until I figure out how to make them very flat. So now I'm going to teach you how we are going to do this. So let's knit 11 single crochets using the outside loop. So this is my 11th one, and now I'm going just to attach it to the sweater using a slip stitch. And now this is the trick. I'm just going to turn the work, and I am not going to do one chain going up. Just turn the work, and then I'm going to continue looking for the outside loop, and then I'm going to do slip stitch. So here I am pulling it and slip, and I'm going to do 4 slip stitches, 3, 4, and then I'm going to do 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to skip 3 points, 1, 2, 3, and then in the fourth space I'm going to do a slip stitch, and then I'm going to continue with slip stitches until I have 4. In this last point, I'm not taking only the outside loop. I'm taking it through the whole point and then do another slip stitch. Now a chain to go up and then turn the work. So you see we just form the space for the button. Okay, so now that we form the space for the button, we are going just to continue in the following rows, just doing single crochets. And we are going to be using the loop that is in the outside. And in the only row that we are going to use slip stitches is in the rows that we are going to be using for the eyelet or buttonholes. So to attach the band to the sweater, I just do slip stitch, and to go up, I just do another slip stitch, then I turn the work and I'll continue. Okay, so the spaces we leave depend on how big the button is. For example, in this situation, I have a 3 centimeter button, and that's why I left 3 spaces. You can fit there something a little bit smaller because I believe for 3 spaces, the maximum is 3 centimeters. It's really tight. If you have something much smaller, just leave 2 spaces, and it's matter of just trying and see if it's going to be too loose or too tight. Okay, my friends, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Remember to give me a like, subscribe, and I promise in the next tutorials I'll be sharing more details about this beautiful cardigan. I hope to see you soon in my channel, Ana Lana.